Welcome to Asia Digital. I'm Januk Sen and today we're going to be unboxing these headphones. The Sony WF-1000XM3. These are one of the most awaited headphones in the country because Sony is known for some really great sound. So today we're going to be unboxing these headphones and showing you what's inside the box. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Before we get to that, right from the box you know that the Sony WF-1000XM3 comes with Google Assistant and built-in Alexa support. There is wireless connection and active noise cancelling. These headphones promise about a 6-hour plus 18 hours of battery life. We'll only find out about that in the review, so we'll tell you about it. The box says that Sony has designed HD noise cancelling processor QN1E for high performance noise cancellation and high quality audio. Dual noise sensor technology captures ambient noise precisely with 2 microphones and stable wireless connection. All of these details will be explored in our in-depth review, so watch out for that. The very moment you open the box, you have the big bulky Sony case. This, if you will notice, is quite a bit bigger than most of the other truly wireless solutions cases, but maybe there's a point for that. We'll find out. You have the detailed instruction manual, it's quite thick, and the charging port. It's a normal USB Type-C, so in case you ever manage to misplace this, you can charge this up with a normal USB Type-C cord. And Sony gives you this entire variety of ear covers to change it with, and you can pick and choose as you want. There are multiple sizes and there are also different colors and different ear tips as it seems. Couple are silicone and the others seem like foam, so you have a lot of options over here. Sony does take its sound very seriously. Okay, let's just look inside. You have both the headphones in place. So the charging indicator is right here. So you'll know exactly if your case needs charging or not. If your buds are glowing blue, which means that they're ready to pair. The charging port for the charging case is on the back. So just to round it off, in the box, you get the charging case, the two buds, the charging cable, this entire range of tips to pick from, and the instruction manual. So that's what you get inside the box with the Sony 1000XM3. We will tell you how these headphones are once we review them. Till then, if there's anything else you want to know about any other wireless headphones, let us know and we'll bring it for you. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.